In the previous video, we learned about systems of equations, and I told you that although there are several methods for solving a system, we're going to look at two of these methods. And the first method is known as the elimination method, also known as the addition method. And the idea in the elimination method is to combine the two equations in such a way that one of the variables drops out or is eliminated. And this will allow us to solve for the other variable. And then once we know the value for one of the variables, we can easily find the value for the other variable. And this sounds complicated, but it really isn't too hard. I think once you do a little practice, this will seem pretty easy. Okay, so for example, we have to solve this system. 2x plus y equals 13, and x minus y equals 2. And once you develop an eye for this, you'll realize that the easiest way to solve this particular problem is just to add these two equations together. Okay, so when we do that, the x's combine to give us 3x. Now the y's cancel out, right? Because we have positive y and a negative y. So those go away, and on the right-hand side we have 15. So if 3x is equal to 15, then x is equal to 5. Now if we know x equal to 5, then from the second equation up here, it's obvious that y is equal to 3. And then finally we should go back and check in the first equation to see that this solution is also correct in the first equation. And it is, because 2 times 5 is 10, and if we add 3 we get 13. And the solution is outlined here in the notes. Okay, next example, we have (5x minus 3y equals 2) and 2x plus y equals 25. Now this time it's not quite as convenient as it was in the first problem, where we had a ready-made way to eliminate a variable. However, the elimination method will still work pretty easily in this example. And the way to do that is to notice that we have a negative 3y here. If only we had a 3y here, then the y's could be eliminated. Well, we can easily make this a 3y just by multiplying the second equation by 3. So let's do that. Okay, so 3 times 2x plus 3 times y, and of course we must multiply on the right-hand side too. 3 times 25. And so that gives us 6x plus 3y is equal to 75. Now see, the modified second equation and the first equation are set up for eliminating the y. Again, all we have to do is add the two equations, and we get 11x is equal to 77. Therefore, x has to equal 7. And if x is equal to 7, then we can take that value of 7, put it back in the second equation, get 2 times 7 plus y is equal to 25. So that's 14 plus y is equal to 25, therefore y must be equal to 11. And just as a check, let's go back to the first equation to see that that equation is also satisfied by this solution. If x is equal to 7, then 5 times 7 is 35. Y is 11. 3 times 11 is 33. 35 minus 33 is 2. So that gives us a check. And our solution is x equal to 7, y equal to 11. And again, the solution is outlined here in the notes.